Amy. How may I help you today?
Hi, yes. I got a pop-up. It told me to call this number.
Okay, could you please read that message for me, ma'am?
It says like, warning, your Windows has been blocked due to suspicious activity. Please call support now, and then it has your number.
Okay. Could you please tell me, is it your personal computer or a work computer?
It's my personal computer.
It's your personal computer. What exactly you were doing, ma'am, when you received this message?
I was trying to go to Google.
Okay, no problem. I can do one thing, ma'am. I can connect your computer with the server that I can check the problem. Then I will go for the fixation, okay?
Okay.
You need to go ahead and look onto your keyboard, ma'am. Onto your keyboard, on the very bottom left-hand side, you have a Microsoft key. Can you see that? A
Ye-
key having 4 boxes.
Yeah, I see it. It says like 4 boxes. It's
Yes,
like next to
yes,
the
ma'am.
FN key.
Yes, ma'am. You need to hold that key down and press letter R, R like Romeo, together.
Okay. So now on my computer, there's like a box. It says run. Type the name of a program.
Yes, ma'am. Right, ma'am. On that box, you need to start typing I like Indiana,
Okay.
like Edward,
Okay.
X like X-ray,
Okay.
P like Peter,
Okay.
L
Say that again.
like Larry,
Okay.
O like Oliver,
Okay.
R like Romeo,
Okay.
E like Edward,
Okay.
then
Okay. I have a space.
type www dot
Oh. Okay. www dot.
fastsupport.com, FAST fast support.com.
Okay.
Now, after fast support, you need to hit on OK, ma'am. Can you see there is a
Yes.
OK, cancel and browse. Hit
Yes,
OK.
I see that. Okay, I've clicked on OK.
Oh, yeah, hit.
Now it looks like there's a window popped up. It says establish support connection.
Yes, ma'am. Put your name over there. I will give you the support key, okay?
Alright, go ahead. I'm ready for the support key.
The support, that is 617
617
960
960
559.
559.
Yes, ma'am. Now hit on continue.
Alright, I've clicked on continue.
Yes, ma'am. Now you need to go ahead and run this file, okay?
Yeah, I see it says run, save, or cancel, so I'll click on run.
Yes, ma'am. And you need to hit on yes, okay, like that, ma'am. Then you will connect it with us. So I'll check the problem, okay? Or
Okay.
you can ask me which option you need to choose.
Okay.
Now, what exactly you can see on the screen, ma'am?
It says user account control. It says yes or no. I'll click on yes.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Now, what exactly you can see?
It says verifying support. Oh, it just went away.
Okay. Now you need to hit on yes one more time, and you will connect it with us.
Okay.
Yes,
Here, I see it. I'll
Yes.
go and click on yes.
yes. Now I can go ahead and check it. Just leave your mouse, ma'am. Now I can check your screen.
Okay.
You can see the cursor is moving. You're talking about this message, right?
Yeah, it's this message.
You, yeah, your computer has been blocked. Please call Microsoft immediately. Don't ignore the critical. Okay. Go ahead and check it. Firefox. Prevent this. Let me check it out.
Okay.
Just to be stay on the call, ma'am. On the meanwhile, I'm checking it. Okay.
Okay.
First of all, can you see this thing, ma'am? Firewall prevent the site from the pop-up and windows.
Yeah.
Can you see over here?
Yes, I
This
see that.
means your browser are corrupted. Yeah, your browsers are corrupted this time.
Oh, okay.
Just because of that, this thing is happening to your computer. Okay. So I'll
Okay.
go ahead and check out. No issues. And do you have any securities in this computer or not, ma'am?
I'm not sure. One of my friends set the computer up for me.
He's from Microsoft or he's from a local technician like he's a
No,
local
he's just one of my friends that knows like computers.
Go ahead and give you my details. You're talking to Amy, ma'am, and my employee code is 2289.
Okay.
So I'll go ahead and check your computer. Okay. let me go ahead and use the Microsoft tool. You can see over here, ma'am, the Microsoft Windows, Microsoft Corporation, and it's
Okay.
giving your name.
Okay.
Go ahead and check this thing. Virus found, call technical support. Can you see over here?
Yeah, I see that. Okay.
And what kind of activities you do with this computer, ma'am?
It's usually just email, banking, Facebook, that kind of thing. Like check the news.
You can see, ma'am, it's scanning your computer now.
Okay.
Please give us the picture regarding this thing. And this is the only computer you have, or you have any other computer as well?
This is the only computer I have.
Okay, on the very bottom you can see, ma'am, it's virus and infection. It means your computer might be infected with a virus.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, that's
and an
that's bad.
infection. Yes, ma'am. So this is the problem which is present in this computer. Let me go ahead and check out.
Okay.
Going to new part of your computer. Go ahead and check it. Check the system part of your computer. And do you feel, ma'am, your computer is slow sometime, not performing instantly?
Yeah, sometimes it runs really slow.
Because, ma'am, as I can see over here on your computer, there is no securities available which gonna prevent your computer from these kind of a thing.
Okay.
Okay. Because yeah, if that this message is alerting you that something went wrong in this device. I have to check each and everything. Let me go ahead and check the services here. Can you see over here that lots of services are getting stopped in this computer? Can you see that?
Yeah, I see that.
Yeah. If the services are not working, ma'am, that's just because of that your computer perform very slow sometimes. Because the services are not working in a proper manner. Just because of that, this thing has happened to your computer. Let me show you how many viruses and infection are present in this computer. Can you see that?
Yeah. Is it 3,000 about?
There it is. These are the viruses which are present in your computer, and I believe the friend you have, he's not from Microsoft. Okay, just because of that, he can clean up the things, but not gonna remove the things from your computer. Okay,
Okay.
like he can remove it. Well, we need a software that is called the firewall. I believe you heard about the firewall.
Yeah, I mean I've heard of the word.
Yes, ma'am. There is a firewall which gonna protect your computer from these kind of a thing. Okay, go ahead and. So we need a firewall to go ahead and fix it. Let me check the other aspect as well. Can you see, ma'am, over here? I go ahead and open something. There's the active connection and the local and the foreign addresses.
Okay.
Can you see this thing? Time wait, time wait.
Yeah.
It means, ma'am, somebody from different locations from the foreign location try to accessing your network, trying to accessing your computer from the different location. Right now, you are connected with the Microsoft server.
Okay.
That's why they are time waited. Again, they will make established connection when we disconnect the session from your computer.
Okay.
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 Let me go ahead and check your firewall status. Can you see this is your status of your firewall? Let me just connect your firewall with my firewall. And
Okay.
You can see the changes. Can you see the changes? How fast it's working now?
Yeah.
Now, when we put the firewall onto your computer will perform faster, and nobody can go ahead and check the thing. The thing is
Okay.
that right now your computer is infected. Okay. So
Okay.
we need to go ahead and put a firewall into this. Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
After putting the firewall, what we need to do, we need to remove the errors. Okay, which are present in your computer.
Yeah.
Okay, we have to remove the virus
Okay.
and as well as the infection.
Okay.
Then we go ahead and remove the time wait person who will go ahead and make established connection with you. We have to remove those time wait, okay?
Okay.
And we have to go ahead and remove the viruses which are present onto your files. Okay, sometimes some files are got infected while
Okay.
we using the computer.
Okay.
We have to get that. So the security, the firewall which I'm talking about, ma'am, it will come with 1 year. Okay,
Okay.
it will work for 1 year. Okay, with two versions. Okay, one is basic, and second one is high end. Okay,
Okay.
high end will work for 1 year complete. It will high end will protect your like email, okay, your four computers.
Okay.
Okay, if you do any banking or shopping, it will protect that. Okay,
Okay.
and if you go ahead and sometime you go online and some annoying pop-ups are there like advertisement messages, it will block that. Okay,
Okay.
okay, block the ad. Okay, this will do. Let me tell you the cost as well for the basic and the advanced. Okay,
Okay.
if you go for the basic for 1 year, it's cost 99.99.
Okay.
Okay, and if you go for the high end, it will cost you like $245.99 to complete 1 year. Okay, after
Okay.
1 year you need to renew it. Okay,
Okay. Um, let me think. Um, I think the high end one would be the best value. I'll go ahead and go for that.
yes ma'am, you can go with the high end. And one more thing ma'am, I'll give you toll free number. Okay,
Okay.
toll free number means ma'am, like if you face any problem, so you no need to bother to your friends, you can call us back and we will fix the issue for you. You will get one more thing, a unique ID. Okay,
Okay.
unique ID means ma'am, like somebody calls you and let you know that I'm Amy, I had a word with you. So what you need to do, you need to ask your unique ID first, that just give me my unique ID. Okay, if he or she will provide you the correct unique ID, then give the access of your computer, otherwise just disconnect the call. Okay,
Okay.
so as I can see over here ma'am, you can see over here the Firefox on your computer. Here it is. I'll
Yeah.
show you. So I will buy this security from Foxstar. It is the parent company of this Firefox. Okay,
Okay.
so we'll go ahead and open it on this Foxstar. Okay,
Okay.
so which plan you wanna go with ma'am, with the high end or with the basic?
I think the high end would be the best.
Let me go ahead and ma'am, you need to type your name, your email, your phone number, your billing address, and how will you make the payment ma'am, like through your card or through your any checking account?
If I make it through a checking account, would I have to mail the check in?
You can ma'am, you can open the details, like we will open a payment portal in front of you and you can fill your details over there.
Uh,
Okay,
yeah.
or you can send us a check,
I'd rather
like you
just.
can mail us,
Uh,
or you can pay through your card as well ma'am.
right now my credit card isn't working. Can I just mail you a check?
You can do that. You can do that, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay. So I'll just connect, or you can do one thing, ma'am. Here you can type the details.
Okay.
Okay. And the payment went through in front of you. Okay.
Okay.
So let me connect your call to the billing manager of the Foxstar. He will go ahead and let you know about it. Okay.
Okay.
And one more thing, ma'am. If you go for the check account, okay, that point of time you need to give us one detail. That is your driving license or the check's ID. That you need to provide us, because that's the thing which is authorize us to go ahead and make the payment. Okay.
Okay.
Wait for a while. Okay.
Okay.
Just stay on the call. Let me connect your call to the billing manager of Foxstar. Okay.
Okay.
And he will go ahead and do that for you. Okay.
Okay.
So
Alright, I've muted the mic. At this
you will
time, I'm
go
going to
ahead and
Photoshop and Photoshop together a
use this
license.
thing with your checking account, right?
Yes.
Okay. Just wait for a while, ma'am. You can
Okay.
fill these details on the meanwhile, ma'am, like
Okay.
your name, email address, and everything.
Okay.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And you need to wait for a while. Let me just connect your call with the billing manager. Okay.
Okay.
Right now he's busy. Yeah. And could you please tell me, ma'am, like, did you download something from last couple of days?
Last couple of days, I don't think so.
Okay. Because what happened, ma'am? Sometime when we go online, and we'll go ahead and do that. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So that thing will create a problem for us. Okay. So
Okay.
we need to ask the customer that they will go ahead and download any bad file or not. Because if they go ahead and download any bad file, that will be go ahead and infect the firewall as well. Okay.
Okay.
So we have to put the firewall in a manner that will be protect your computer as well as your network. Okay. Like in near future, in complete 1 year, if you wish to buy a new computer, okay, you need to
Okay.
call us back, and we will put the same firewall onto that as well. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So let me just go ahead and connect your call to the billing manager. And could you please tell me your name, ma'am?
My name is Ben Cho.
Okay. It's a unique name, I must say.
Thank you.
For a while. Just wait for a while, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah, ma'am. Are you there, ma'am?
Yes, hello?
Yeah, ma'am. You need to go ahead and fill the details over here that we can go ahead and do that for you.
Okay.
You can fill the details over.
Okay. It's personal. Okay.
Let me just process it, ma'am. Just wait for a while. Yeah, let me
Okay.
just process it.
Okay.
Give me 2 more minutes.
Okay.
Wait for a while. Let it be processed. On the meanwhile, let me put the security onto your computer. Okay.
Okay.
I'm putting the firewall onto your computer. Okay.
Okay.
For a while. Wait for a while.
Your password was AMMY12. You're a scammer. Terima kasih to scammer. Hey.
Who told you that, ma'am?
Who told me that? You're a scammer.
Who told you that, ma'am?
Your number is on a blacklist. Your number's on a pop-up. You falsely diagnose problems. Terima kasih to scammer. Hey.
This, ma'am, this is the first time you're getting this message, or this is the second time?
You're a scammer, it doesn't matter. You're gonna
I'm
be on
asking
this
you.
YouTube
I'm
channel.
asking you the thing.
It doesn't matter. You're gonna
From
be on
YouTube.
this.
Just show me.
You're gonna be on this YouTube channel sometime in April.
Okay.
Hang up. So thank you very much for watching. Feel free to leave a like, subscribe for more, and I'll see you next time.